Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on basic entrepreneurship. Myself Sabbana Varalakshmi, 6th semester from Electronics and Communication Engineering. We are going to explore what is entrepreneurship is all about, why it matters, and how you can start thinking like an entrepreneur, even if you have never run a business before. Let's start with the simple definition what is entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the process of identifying a problem or opportunity, developing a solution, and building a business around it. And its core, entrepreneurship is about creating value, solving real world problems in innovative ways. Who is an entrepreneur? It's anyone who takes the risk to start something new, whether it's a tech startup, a clothing brand, a food truck, or even a non-profit. You don't need an MBA, millions in funding, or a big office. All you need is an idea, a willingness to take action, and the drive to see it through. Some entrepreneurs works alone, other build big teams. Entrepreneurship is just more than just business. It's a key drive of innovation, economic growth, and job creation. Think about companies like Apple, Tesla, or Airbnb. They all started with the simple idea and bold founder who was willing to take a risk. Entrepreneurs bring new products, services, and way of thinking into world. They challenges the status. Let's talk about what makes a successful entrepreneur. Some common traits includes creativity, risk-taking, resilience, vision, adaptability. Entrepreneurship comes in different forms. Small business entrepreneurship, like your local cafe, saloon, or retail source. Scalable startup entrepreneurship. Think tech startup with big growth goals. Social entrepreneurship. Focusing on solving social or environmental issues. So how does some actually starts? The entrepreneurial process usually involves five main steps. Identify a problem or need, generate and validate a business idea, create a business model or plan, secure resources, time, money, people, launch and grow the business. It's not always a straight line. You will likely go back and forth between steps, but this gives you a roadmap. A key skill in entrepreneurship is turning an idea into a real opportunity. Not every idea is a good business opportunity. You need to ask, is there any real need in the market? Who are the customers? Will they pay for your solution? What makes your idea different? Entrepreneur and innovation go hand in hand. Entrepreneur and innovation Entrepreneur introduce new products, services, technologies, and even new business models. Innovation doesn't always mean something high tech. It can be a new way to deliver value or a serve a market. If you can solve a problem better, faster, or cheaper than others, that's innovation. Tools and resources for entrepreneurships. You don't have to do it all alone. Today's entrepreneurs have access to tools, business model canvas, market research platforms, online courses and mentorship networks. The key is to start small, test quickly, and keep learning. In real world examples, here a quick story. Means Sarah Blackley, founder of Spanex, started with 5,000 euros and simply idea comfortable shapewear for women. She didn't have business experience or a team, but she believed in her product, learning along the way, and eventually built a $1 billion brand. What made her succeed? Creativity, persistence, and problem solving. All core traits are entrepreneurship. Even if you don't plan to start a business, thinking like an entrepreneur has value. You become more proactive, better at solving problems, and more resilient in the face of uncertainty. You become more in today's fast changing world. Entrepreneurial thinking is superpower. Entrepreneurship is all about creating value and solving problems. Anyone can be an entrepreneur with the right mindset. It involves risk, learning, and continuous innovation. There are different types of entrepreneurship. Find what fits you. Tools, stories, and community can guide on your path.